Right, that's a very short update on the Mark 1, but at least we did some on the Mark 1, so I need to get the MIG welder. I've got the MIG welder, but I just need some more gas. So we get some gas, and then let's get this front end on. Let's get it sorted. Let's get it looking like a car again. So yeah. So sorry guys if you've been expecting updates on this, and I've been dedicated to the race car, but you know, it's just the way it is. My projects, I do them how I want, so you just tune into the videos that you want to watch and don't watch the other ones. So yeah, so definitely a bit better, different. So we've got the Paul 15 stuff to use yet. That's sitting in the back of the car. We're going to use that on the subframe, so we need to get ourselves sorted on all that. So doors are pretty much done. So boots okay, boots all good. Don't need to do any repair work on that. Got our bonnet. It's going to need shot blast. We'll see what that looks like. But we'll do the bonnet and put the bonnet on before we finally weld this up. So yeah, let's aim for the next video on the Mark 1. We're gonna get this front end all on and welded and solid, so we can get on and move on with the rest of the stuff. So yeah, I've got all up the wiring loom yet and things like that. So anyway, short update, I'm afraid. But yeah, Mark 1. Nice Subaru engine in it, maybe. No. Yeah, all good. All right, cheers guys. What do I have for tea? What do I have for tea? Oh, it's pasta Tuesday. Got it wrong, but it's pasta Tuesday, so that's what we had. Pinwheels.